Dear students, in this moment of Corona COVID-19, I hope you are all well at your home by the grace of Almighty Allah, with your family, and also we hope that immediately we will recover this crisis moment. As a learners, you have too much work, but in this corona moment, we cannot monitor you at your school. So you have to study in your school. In your school, studying at your home. Today, I am Kamrujaman Talukdar, assistant teacher, online school, Baliadar High School, Primary Tangail. I friends a class of class 9 and 10. English second paper and grammar portion. Today's our topic is tag question. Tag question. Hello dear. At first, we have to know what is tag question. Tag question means when a conversation is going on, after the sentence, if any positive suggestion is arise, and a question is arise, then called the tag question. Have you got it? I think you have got easily. You have to got it. Now I am explain clearly to you how can we develop our skill about tag question. How can we solve a tag question? Because in the question paper you must have a question of tag question of number 5. So now we are doing how to solve a tag question by giving some rules. I show some rules in the blackboard and you follow the rules, and the learners, you must take your khata and pen with you to note down the rules. Firstly, in a tag question, a statement is always added. And tag question a statement. Suppose I write a statement in the blackboard, whiteboard. is a boy. In the whiteboard, you see he is a boy. In this structure, a text question is always in the question paper. You have to do the answer in the blank portion of the sentence, last of the portion of the sentence. And how can we solve the sentence? If the sentence is assertive, question will be negative. Question will be negative. And if the sentence is negative, question will be affirmative. And this is the main thing. And also, what is the structure of a text question? I show the structure of a text question. At first, auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb plus auxiliary verb plus subject come pronoun. And another structure, auxiliary verb plus not. That's called the tagging not. That's called the tagging not. Plus subject come pronoun. What is that? Why always the subject will be the pronoun? Because in a tag question there is no nominal subject is arise. Here always you will have to set up the pronoun of subject. If the subject is nominal word, suppose I write a sentence. Shojib is a student. Here, Shojib is a noun word, but when you will answer the question, then you have to write the pronoun of Shojib, noun word. Here, as a structure, we find that auxiliary verb. Here, auxiliary verb is, and the statement is affirmative. So, I have to write down the answer negative, tagging not. And Shojib is a female male person. Male person singular means he, female person singular means she. Dear learners, have you got it? The theme. And secondly, we can write another theme. Of that question. Sabina is not attentive. Students, you must have always alert to, after the statement you must have set up the comma. without comma a tag question will not be fulfilled. So here the statement is negative. From our previous lesson, we think that we learned that if the statement is negative, question is affirmative. So here we can write that auxiliary verb here is not here is fully omitted. So is only subject will be the pronoun. Sabina is a female person, so singular noun she. This two theme and two structure is fully, I think that you have understand. And now we discuss about another theme of the question. We can do only 3 sentences: affirmative, assertive, imperative and exclamatory. These 3 sentences can be the tag question. Firstly, I show on the board from the assertive sentence. Now I show you some imperative sentence. How can we show the imperative sentence? Before that, I can show you the form of auxiliary verb. Two structure, long form and short form. Structure will be set up, we will have to set up in the tag question. Suppose do not, long form. Short form, don't. Long form, does not. Short form, doesn't. Long form, did not. Short form, didn't. Long form, is not. Short form, isn't. In that way, the present auxiliary will stand in the way the past auxiliary. Was not, wasn't, wasn't. Now future auxiliary, shall not. Here is another thing that you will show the board. Shall not, but shall not tagging system is shan't. Shan't. Will not. Tagging system is won't. There's the long form and the tagging system short form. You must have to avoid the short form of that question. Now, students, look, I discussed about the imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? When some direction, order, request, and propose will come. That's called the imperative sentence. What is the structure of imperative sentence? Follow me and look at the blackboard. Structure, imperative sentence. Hello dear. The structure of imperative sentence. Principal verb. Principal verb plus object, and another don't plus principal verb plus object. That's the structure of imperative sentence. Here I show two examples of this two structure. Number one, do it. Here do is principal verb and it is object. And another, number two, don't do it. In these sentences, don't is auxiliary verb and the do, next do is principal verb and it is object. And this two is the structure and the example of imperative sentence. Dear students, we'll discuss in this imperative sentence the last footstone next class. I think and I hope that you have got the today's lesson which I presenting to you about that question. So I'll come and again and stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.